Hello, my name's Lauren from Stoke Audi, and today I'll be showing you around this stunning approved used Audi A1 Sportback Black Edition 30 TFSI. It comes dressed in the gorgeous dew silver, sure to turn heads when on the road, and at the time of this recording the vehicle has done 2,720 miles. Standing on 18-inch alloy wheels with a 7-spoke rotor design making a bold statement with every turn. Showing you the boot area, as you can see, there is plenty of space for your every day-to-day needs. To the rear, you have the stylish leather and cloth upholstery, with the ISOFIX anchor point to easily install your child's car seat. And as you take a look around, there is plenty of head and leg space for both children and adults alike. To the front of the cabin, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel, the Audi virtual cockpit, and to the centre of the car's dash, the MMI multimedia display and climate control system. Sink into the driver's seat with the running theme of the leather and cloth upholstery with the iconic S embossed logo. Behind the wheel, you have the 3-spoke multifunction steering wheel with the controls to the Audi virtual cockpit right at the driver's fingertips and a gear shift paddle for a more convenient drive. The Audi virtual cockpit displaying key features in the driver's view, such as connection to your mobile phone device, and a variety of your favourite DAB and FM radio stations to choose from. The MMI multimedia display, going into phone apps, to use Apple CarPlay or Android Auto by connection of the car's Bluetooth. In the car menu, with Audi Drive Select, to choose your preferred driving modes such as dynamic for a more sporty drive, parking aid for rear volume settings of low, medium and high to help fit in those tight spaces, and driver assist to give you those pre-warnings on the road ahead. Media to have all your favourite apps stored in one place, and radio to choose from your favourite DAB and FM radio stations. Below, you have the climate control system, so both driver and passenger can set the preferred temperature regardless of the weather outside. Stay connected with the 12-volt and USB charging points, finished off with the sleek manual gearbox, and 2 handy cup holders for those morning coffees. This approved used Audi A1 is now available and on site. For more information, call our sales team today, who'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.